This video will show the snapping mechanism of the Canada geese in defense mode. The Canada geese have a way of snapping at each other to protect either their food or their mates. This snapping and biting mechanism is seen frequently when the geese are foraging for food. They snap and bite at each other in the flock just to ensure they are getting the food first. They are also seen snapping at each other to create space between them, just in case more food is to be found. This mechanism can be described using Tinbergen's 4 questions on behavior, known as adaptive function, controlling mechanism, development, and evolution. It can first be seen as the development of the mechanism by hypothesizing these geese develop the snapping mechanism from their mothers when they're babies, and therefore carry it on throughout their lifetime. As seen in the flock, the babies are always following their mothers, and in essence copying their every move. The parents of the offspring become responsible for the baby, as said by Turcotte and Bedard in 1989, that when the parents does not become responsible, they jeopardize their offspring and future offspring's existence, and survival mechanisms as well. Another hypothesis is that this mechanism has been evolutionarily passed down from generation to generation through natural selection. This mechanism can be seen as the most effective for the Canada geese in survival and protection. When approaching this mechanism using Tinbergen's question as adaptive function, the hypothesis can be seen as the environment they have here by the lakes in the neighborhood causes them to be aggressive by adapting to their environment and therefore learning the snapping and biting mechanism to aid in survival. Animals and their environment has been said by Schmidt and Nielsen in 1997 cannot exist independently of each other because of the difficulties the environment presents when the animals have to cope with them. The last hypothesis can be based on the controlling mechanism. The hypothesis would be that if the characteristic is genetic and within the goose's DNA, it would therefore be present in each goose no matter the environment or parental effects it has. This can be imprinted trait that the geese have from the very start, which makes them unique in their foraging and protecting characteristics. Tinbergen's 4 questions on behavior do help in structuring how these geese may have developed this characteristic and how it was passed on from generation to generation, even in different environments and locations around the world. These Canada geese are seen here in harbor shores frequently and are fun to watch in essence in that the behavioral traits they have to aid in survival.